really making massive progress on the knife, and we get a power cut. Coffee time. I've just been toying with this knife design here, the one that flicks back in automatically. It's got the integrated spring. There's something about the spring in here that I like, you know, there's something... I like the idea that it flicks back in when you're finished with it, like, I like that concept, so I'm gonna go and... I'm just gonna keep thinking just now, and see if there's a way. So I'm down in the workshop today. I'm gonna attack this knife again, and I'm gonna go really back to basics. Just sort of completely rethink this again. How come every knife design I try to make ends up looking like a bird? Take a look at this. What's all that about? Every time it's a bird. So I have the pieces. I don't have any bolts or screws or anything to put it together and test it right now, so that's gonna have to be the end of this video, and hopefully it goes together well and I can do an update on it in the next video. Hold on, gotta wait for the traffic to go past. Such a busy road, unbelievable.